Encountering a no-key detected error in your 2021-2023 Mustang Mach-E? This happens when the car can't recognize your key fob, usually due to a dead fob battery below 2.5 volts, signal interference, or fob damage. Thankfully, there are ways to bypass this. First, use the FordPass app on your smartphone. It can act as a digital key via Bluetooth or NFC. Ensure your app is updated to the latest version, v6.0 Plus as of 2025, and paired correctly with your Mach-E. If the app fails or isn't an option, locate the hidden mechanical key slot. For most models, it's under the center console cup holder or inside the glove box. Use the physical key blade inside your fob to manually unlock and start the car. Remember, repeated bypass attempts might require a dealer visit for reprogramming. If the FordPass app and mechanical key bypass don't work, consider replacing your fob's battery with a CR2450 type. If replacing the battery doesn't resolve the problem, it might need reprogramming by a Ford dealer. A dealer can reprogram the key and bypass the immobilizer. Looking ahead, Ford is integrating smartphone as a key technology and ultra-wideband tech in future Mach-E models for more reliable key detection, which should minimize no-key detected issues. For current models, keep your FordPass app updated and be mindful of potential Bluetooth hacking risks by keeping your car's firmware up to date. Always remember that these bypass methods are for authorized owners only.